Which is the only Indian state through which both the Tropic of Cancer and the Standard Meridian pass? Answer is Chhattisgarh. Which Indian state is crossed by both the Tropic of Cancer and the Standard Meridian? Answer is Chhattisgarh. Which state is crossed by the Standard Meridian after Madhya Pradesh while moving north to south? Answer is Chhattisgarh. Which state is crossed last by the Standard Meridian from north to south? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Which Indian state shares the longest boundary with China? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which neighboring country shares borders with the largest number of Indian states? Answer is Bangladesh. Which neighboring country shares borders with exactly 5 Indian states? Answer is Bangladesh. Which neighboring country shares borders with exactly 4 Indian states? Answer is Myanmar. Which neighboring country shares borders with Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh and Sikkim? Answer is China. Which neighboring country shares a border with Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh? Answer is Pakistan. Which Indian state has the maximum number of neighboring states? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian state shares boundaries with 8 other Indian states? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which union territory has no international boundary? Answer is Chandigarh. Which union territory is nearest to Indonesia? Answer is Andaman-Nicobar Islands. The 10-degree channel separates. Answer is Andaman Islands and Nicobar Islands. Which channel separates Minicoy Island from the remaining Lakshadweep Islands? Answer is 9-degree channel. Which latitude passes through the middle of India? Answer is Tropic of Cancer. Which of the following states lies completely south of the Tropic of Cancer? Answer is Maharashtra. Which Indian state lies completely north of the Tropic of Cancer? Answer is Punjab. Which neighboring country shares both land and river boundaries with India? Answer is Bangladesh. Which neighboring country is separated from India by the Radcliffe Line? Answer is Pakistan. Which boundary line separates India and China in the eastern sector? Answer is McMahon Line. Which boundary line separates India and Pakistan? Answer is Radcliffe Line. Which neighbouring country is connected to mainland India through the Friendship Bridge at Morah? Answer is Myanmar. Which Indian state is known as the gateway to the northeast because of the Siliguri corridor? Answer is West Bengal. Which Indian state shares an international border with the largest number of countries? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which neighbouring country shares the longest land border with Arunachal Pradesh? Answer is China. Which neighbouring country shares a border with both Sikkim and West Bengal? Answer is Bhutan. Which Indian state has an international border but no coastline? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which union territory is situated entirely in the Bay of Bengal? Answer is Andaman Nicobar Islands. Which is the only union territory consisting of more than 500 islands? Answer is Andaman Nicobar Islands. Which of the following is India's easternmost union territory? Answer is Andaman Nicobar Islands. Which Indian island is closest to Myanmar? Answer is North Andaman. Which Indian island is closest to Indonesia? Answer is Great Nicobar. Which channel separates Great Nicobar Island from Indonesia? Answer is 6-degree channel. Which water body lies between India and the Maldives? Answer is Laccadive Sea. Which Indian state has the largest east-west extent? Answer is Rajasthan. Which Indian state has the largest north-south extent? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which neighbouring country shares the longest border with West Bengal? Answer is Bangladesh. Which neighbouring country shares a border with both Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh? Answer is China. Which of the following states does not share an international border? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian state is surrounded by Bangladesh on the north, west and south? Answer is Tripura. Which of the following states shares an international border with only one country? Answer is Bihar. Which neighbouring country has the highest number of border checkpoints with India? Answer is Bangladesh. Which Indian state shares its entire eastern boundary with Bangladesh? Answer is Tripura. Which neighboring country is India's largest neighbor by area? Answer is China. Which neighboring country is India's smallest land neighbor by area? Answer is Bhutan. Which Indian state shares borders with Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh? Answer is West Bengal. Which geographical feature is mainly responsible for India's vast north-south climatic variation? Answer is latitudinal extent. Which geographical feature is mainly responsible for the time difference between eastern and western India? Answer is longitudinal extent. India extends from which longitude in the west? Answer is 68 degrees 7 minutes east. India extends up to which longitude in the east? Answer is 97 degrees 25 minutes east. The latitudinal extent of India is approximately. Answer is 29 degrees. The longitudinal extent of India is approximately. Answer is 29 degrees. The standard meridian of India passes through which of the following states? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following states is crossed by both the Tropic of Cancer and the standard meridian? Answer is Chhattisgarh. The standard meridian also passes through which coastal state? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Which Indian state is not crossed by the Tropic of Cancer? Answer is Maharashtra. Which neighboring country is called the land of the thunder dragon? Answer is Bhutan. Which neighboring country is called the land of golden pagodas? Answer is Myanmar. Which neighboring country is known as the roof of the world? Answer is China. Which neighboring country shares the longest border with the Indian state of Assam? Answer is Bangladesh. Which Indian state shares international borders with Bangladesh only? Answer is Tripura. Which Indian state shares borders with Nepal and Bangladesh but not with China? Answer is West Bengal. Which neighboring country is separated from India by the line of control? Answer is Pakistan. Which Indian state shares the longest border with Pakistan? Answer is Rajasthan. Which Indian state has the highest number of neighboring Indian states? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which state shares boundaries with 8 Indian states? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which neighboring country shares a maritime boundary with India in the Arabian Sea? Answer is Maldives. Which union territory lies closest to Sri Lanka? Answer is Puducherry. Which of the following is the easternmost district of India? Answer is Anjav. Kibithu, one of the easternmost inhabited places in India, is located in. Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which Indian state is the first to receive sunrise? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which Indian state is the last to witness sunset in mainland India? Answer is Gujarat. The approximate time difference between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh due to longitudinal extent is. Answer is 2 hours. Which Indian state has the longest international boundary with Bangladesh? Answer is West Bengal. Which Indian state shares the longest international boundary with Nepal? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian state shares the longest international boundary with Myanmar? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which Indian state shares the longest international boundary with Bhutan? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which Indian state shares the longest international boundary with China? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which Indian state shares an international boundary with Bangladesh and Myanmar only? Answer is Mizoram. Which of the following states does not share a border with Bangladesh? Answer is Nagaland. Which of the following states does not share a border with Nepal? Answer is Assam. Which of the following states does not share a border with China? Answer is Assam. Which of the following states does not share a border with Pakistan? Answer is Haryana. Which neighboring country shares the longest border with the Indian state of Tripura? Answer is Bangladesh. Which neighboring country shares the longest border with the Indian state of Mizoram? Answer is Myanmar. Which neighboring country shares the longest border with the Indian state of Meghalaya? Answer is Bangladesh. Which neighboring country shares the longest border with the Indian state of Punjab? Answer is Pakistan. Which neighboring country shares the longest border with the Indian state of Gujarat? Answer is Pakistan. The standard meridian of India is located approximately at the center of what? Answer is India. The purpose of adopting a standard meridian is to do what? Answer is fix a common time for the country. If it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the Indian Standard Time will be what? Answer is 5:30 p.m. Which Indian state is the nearest to the equator? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Which union territory is nearest to the equator? Answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which of the following is the southernmost state of India? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Which of the following is the northernmost state among the given options? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. Which of the following is the easternmost state among the given options? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which of the following is the westernmost state among the given options? Answer is Gujarat. Which one of the following best describes the geographical shape of India? Answer is Triangular Peninsula.